Hi, it's Keith Townsend from CTOadvisor.com. Hopefully, this will be a quick video. I wanted to introduce the concept of abstracted networking in AWS. When we first get a router, we get some type of cable, whether that's a physical cable or some virtual SSH. We're configuring like our wireless router at home. We get some physical access to a physical device, and we get into that device and we get into the command line and we do stuff at the command line, whether it's configuring VLANs, route tables, etc. We interface with the network via this very it's like a physical book. We get to the network via this comfortable method. In AWS, all of that is abstracted away. AWS networking abstracts the services from the physical underlay. For example, the routing table. If I wanted to get from one EC2 instance to my data center, instead of going to a router and configuring a route table or routing protocol within my physical switching or router network, I had to go to the AWS route table, add a route, and then some mystical abstracted data center process goes into AWS's infrastructure, your VPC, and makes that change. The configuration on the physical layer is abstracted away from my, I hate to say it, software defined intentions. I wanted to create a route that goes from 172.31.0.0 with a 16-bit mask to a default port that's just done for me, or a default gateway to a default route to a default gateway. I have no idea of what the physical infrastructure looks like. The intent is for me to go into the AWS control panel, whether that's via the portal or the API, and configure the intent of how I want my network to work. I plan on dropping a little bit more of these nuggets throughout the next couple of weeks. Hopefully this is just one of many. I'd love to hear questions on Twitter about what you would like to learn more about AWS networking. Drop a note in the comment section at the bottom of the YouTube channel, or hit me on Twitter at CTOadvisor. And of course, you can find me on the web, thectoadvisor.com.